There's this one cow, she's pretty lame and she's walking very slowly, but I have to keep herding her to the milking shed. This might take a while. Come on, Miss Moo Moo, come on, Miss Moo Moo. Keep going, keep going. I feel like a guard in one of those concentration camps. The cows are like the prisoners of war, and I feel like I'm one of those security personnel in these concentration camps back in World War II, trying to muster the prisoners to the gas chamber. But it's not as drastic as that, but it just gives me a feeling. Come on, Miss Moo Moo, come on. Time for your milking. Come on, Miss Moo Moo. Come on. She's limping.